This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Taylor. Nearly 100 acres of open pastureland, where wide skies, rolling fields, and enduring rural character take center stage. Protected by a conservation easement, this property is designed to remain unspoiled, offering peace of mind for those who value land preservation, agricultural heritage, and long-term stewardship. Notably, approximately 1 acre in the southwest corner is unencumbered and eligible for construction, offering an ideal home site for a desirable farmhouse overlooking the surrounding pasture. Well suited for grazing, equestrian use, or recreational enjoyment, this is a timeless landscape meant to be appreciated for generations. Buyers are encouraged to review easement details to confirm permitted uses. For more information, review the details below.